Greetings, Keishlings. Keishan Prime here with my live reaction of One Punch Man, chapter, I guess it would be 100 part 2, because I didn't know last time was chapter 100, because it was labeled as 99.2 on the website I read it from, and then this one is being listed as 100, but it doesn't have a title page, so I'm just going with that until I learn otherwise. Really wasn't expecting another chapter, to be honest. But anyway, going into this chapter, we start off with, what is this? Oh, damn. Brave Giant. You need a dermatologist, buddy. Damage at 96%. Dude, your body would be gone. There is no... like, your head at best would be like 4% of the robot, and that's being very generous. But, and time is up. And all systems are shutting down. And, okay, this just proves that one of the legs came off in the last part. Okay. The hostage is on the ground. Weird how the bubble shield seems to be like halfway in the ground like that. Let's see. Also, it kind of looks like the sidearm is gone. You know, the one that replaced the destroyed arm, or the severed arm, technically. No, so I don't suspect that, like, Phoenix Man will be coming back. If he does, he'll probably try to wreak some havoc, and then Orochi will probably eat him. I discussed that once in one of the One Punch Man podcasts. Oh, damn, that was the one. Sorry about the cough. I'm a little under the weather, so if I cough, please forgive me. I can't really help it. It's that time of the year. Excuse me. But all the water has evaporated from that large lake. Oh, someone's contacting him. Huh. Wait. You mean that can't be Flashy Flash. It has to be somebody else. He lost his communicator. Wait. I was starting to get sick of the wet and dark. Oh, shit. No. No! Oh, crap. But that is a great looking panel. But Phoenix Man is... oh... He's like half of what the Hawk form or whatever it was called. And now he's like half... I don't know if any of you ever watched Over the Garden Wall, but the Beast and what it looks like when you see like that one like second of when the light hits him and he's got like a bunch of faces and stuff. That's kind of what this is reminding me of. So, but why is it that only part, like, his left arm and leg, and along with a strip of his chest, and then the left side of his head seems to be burnt off. Yet the other, and also the wings on that side as well, and his tail apparently, or one of his like feather tails, whatever you would call that, seems to be burned off. Huh. This is bad. That we sent your ass to the moon. He absorbed it. What you've done to my lovely costume. Oh, you little hostage bastard. He's like, yeah, it was Child Emperor did it. I'm just dragged along. This is bad. Oh, what are you going to do, C? Wait, he sent the battle data? What? Oh, okay, so they do have like a tech squad. Okay, people kept like thinking that it was like G5, which would make a lot of sense being a machine and all, but maybe there's other monsters that have like an intrigue for technology and just have that yearning to learn and adapt and build new things. Oh, oh, he was like, just get out of the robot, which is the opposite of what, what was his name? Shinji, from, Evangelion. It's like, get in the robot, and now it's get out of the robot. Ow, I hit my keyboard. I'm a mess. But he's like, I'm not going to forgive you, so I'm just going to kill you right now. Okay, he sent the distress signal. Why haven't you started regenerating, or is it because you haven't died? Which then this is a good point. Does Phoenix Man have regenerative properties along with his reviving? Which you would think they would kind of go hand in hand on some level, but maybe not. Oh no. He's going to do a woodpecker technique. Is he going to turn into a woodpecker? Or... well, emergency hatch. Okay, so he was launched out. And now the... wait. I thought all of the little braves were combined into the sidearm. Oh, the chest opens up? What is going on? Child Emperor's still in the robot. He's barely dodging the attack. Oh, and now he's just going ham on it. What the hell is he doing to it? The little braves, the shield, everything's being wrecked, which really, to be honest, makes sense. He has one of those like panel shields that we saw when he first fought Phoenix Man. Wait. What the hell? They're still alive? How the hell are they still alive? Hellfire and Gale should have been killed already, but I guess they kept reviving. And what, did they regain their senses now that... I don't get it. It's like, wouldn't they still be under Phoenix Man's control? Yeah. Phoenix Man's control? Or not? Also, they're fucking naked, and I don't want to see that. Cool scars, though. Oh, he was trying to trap him inside. Excuse me. But what would you have done to him otherwise? Also, Phoenix Man's side of his head, the left side that's been, like, torched, it has teeth for some reason. So is this supposed to be like a new form? Or is just the remains of his body? Excuse me. Let's see. Oh, what judgment are you about to... what? Okay, he's laughing hysterically. Wait, what's inside? Tickle, tickle, bug number 1. Oh, God. Wait, the Octo Tank was like... or the Octo Minigun, whatever it was called. That was number 8. So are these like different models of the same thing with different improvements over time, or does he just have a collection of tools and they're just of a numbered series? Oh, okay, so when he was trapped in there briefly. So sorry, I'm just a mess. Dies of asphyxiation? God damn, CE. I love it. I mean, that makes sense. I almost feel like I'm going to suffocate when I go into a coughing fit at the moment. Oh, he's ripping his own skin off. Oh, we got some robotic arms coming out. The power of the costume. Oh, okay. Gem Buster attachment. Okay, those are some bladed shoes that are very wicked looking, but I do like their design. So you're just going to fillet him. Okay. Child play. Shouldn't it be child's play? Wouldn't that make more sense? Oh, out comes the more weapons. Very similar to the ones that we've seen, like circular saws, like that kind of a I don't know what it's called. It's some kind of a blade. Then scissors, a rather crude looking hacksaw, a knife. So he's just going to rip the costume off, and we have Saitama, who is underneath it all, and he's covering his head with his cape. And he's just kind of wondering, like, what's going on? Thinking the water that's dripping down. And we have a naked... They're going to die to him, aren't they? Excuse me. The last thing they remember is right before they died, so they don't even know that they died. Makes sense. It's a trope that I've seen numerous times over the years, so it really doesn't surprise me. But they think, like, I guess they think he stripped them down and knocked them out or something. So they're running to find him, and they've met up with Saitama, and they don't even know who he is, and they trying to attack him. That ain't gonna work. They've never even seen him before. Weird. You would think they would know about him, because he's usually there in the big battles, or at least a fair few of them. They're like, another weird one's shown up. It's like, you guys are naked. You're ones to talk. I find it funny, these blurs they have on their junk. It's very weird. Weird how I noticed that. But anyway, let's see. Saitama's thinking what I'm thinking. It's like, I don't want to see this crap. They have a date. A killer date. Yeah, and now they're just... Now they're just gone. He's like, perverts in the underground. I'm having a bad day. Okay, and now we're back with Phoenix Man and his... just remains of his body. His general appearance really reminds me of... what was his name from Mob Psycho 100? The little spirit. Why can't I remember his name now? I read that whole series. But the little ghost that's kind of like the comic relief. He was a villain at first, and then he kind of became a villain again to some extent. Later on, unless I'm just remembering something wrong. Probably. But yeah, like how the overlapping like vein, like webbing kind of design, it looks very much Mob Psycho right now. Okay. So all the little tickle bug, I saw it crawling up his shoulder, so it's come back home. But he's like, this is a learning experience. Everything I had was useless against him. But that's not a bad thing. I'll learn and get stronger. Also, there was one translation, like, I've mentioned it before, that, like, Brave Giant was not complete, so he'll definitely apply it to the next version or whatever, so this just almost confirms it. Okay, you snively little brat, you tried to throw him to the wolves, and now you're coming back? Oh. Wait, what? Okay, so he's wanting to know if there are any other hostages. You little son of a bitch. I don't like the kid's like bald spot, but it's like he was nice to you. And you're just leaving him here, you horrible child. And people wonder why millennials hate to have children. It's because of this little prick. And apparently there will be a part 3, I'm guessing, because that continued on with no, like, to be continued or whatever, so, yeah. Phoenix Man was not defeated the way I thought he would be. I thought he was dead last time. Good to have, you know, broken expectations. It's always good to, like, not be able to predict everything. I know I've said that numerous times before. Excuse me. So that fight definitely ended because he's been literally stripped of his powers. Wasn't thinking but I just keep rambling with the same thoughts. But and now we'll have another hostage. What's going to happen to him? Though he's technically with Garo, so he's okay kinda for the moment. Maybe we'll see other heroes run into him and be like, there's another kid down here. Holy crap, we gotta save him. So maybe that'll happen. We got a little moment with Saitama and our 2 revived ninjas now, which seem to be just fine. So that's kind of another unexpected twist that I wasn't expecting. So good on ya. But yeah. I kind of liked Phoenix Man's final form. I mean, it was very, like, light and dark kind of inspired, you know, but it wasn't even really a final form, given that it wasn't like a transformation he acquired. It was just kind of seemingly the remains of his body as he got blasted and couldn't absorb as much, which would explain why it was kind of like patchwork. Mostly on his left side, though. So, interesting. Yeah. I do hope we get to see the Brave Giant again in the future. It was a very cool robot, and if Child Emperor learns to adapt what he's learned into the next version, model, or the complete project, as it was kind of hinted at in one of the translations, that'll be a spectacle that I wait to see. So, but yeah, other than that, I guess that's about all that I really have to think about at the moment. You know, just kind of what's coming to mind, really. But yeah, thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and my Discord. Links down below. And until next time, Keishlings, roll out.